Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am making a simple sheet cake, like a simple tray bake. If you have people coming over, you don't want to make cupcakes, but you don't want to make a tiered cake, this one is perfect. A simple vanilla cake which everyone loves whenever I make it. So I thought this time I'll make it for you. I'm making it for some friends of my kids who are coming this evening, and it's really easy to serve because you can make small bites, big bites, whatever you want. So all I need is I'm going to start with the butter, of course. So I'm going to start with 225 grams of unsalted softened butter. Really soft this is. Then I've got 225 grams of caster sugar. You can use golden, white, whatever you want. And I have got 4 eggs. And then I've got 225 grams of self-raising flour. Also a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon vanilla, 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm gonna beat this for 2 minutes. I'll show you how it starts and then after 2 minutes how it looks. And this is how it looks after 2 minutes of beating. Smooth, pale, lovely. So I've got like maybe 10 by 15, 9 by 13, something like that tray, and greased it. Simple line it. Just so it's easier to pull the cake out. And then it's ready to go in. So because this is quite a thin cake, it won't take long to bake, just 25 minutes. I'm gonna check it and see if skewer comes out clean. That's it. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. I had a shower. I love this cake. I'm just gonna check. Oh yeah, that's done. So what I'm gonna do is, because it's such a big cake, don't try and take it out immediately because it will break. So I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes, have a quick coffee, and then come back to this. Okay, so I'm gonna get my cake is cooled down. I'm gonna get around 500 ml of cream, double cream, and then just a couple of tablespoons of caster sugar goes in, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now you could use electric whisk or give your arms a little workout. I've just got some ready raspberry jam. I don't usually make jams at home, so once in a while, but not really. So yeah, I like jam with seeds, but you can use it with a smooth seedless. You could use strawberry, you could use raspberry, whatever jam you want. And just gonna finish it with our lovely cream. But if you've been watching my channel, you know I prefer and love fresh cream. Yeah, but buttercream icing will also work perfectly fine. Because this cake is going to, I know, be eaten today, I'm happy to just go for this. So I'm just gonna, oh, so soft. Oh, lovely. I'm literally making bite-size pieces, so they can just pick up one and enjoy. It's so fresh. Obviously it's just, you know, baked an hour ago. It smells so lovely. And now I'm just gonna get these. This is mine. It's got my name on it. You can't see it, but I can see my name on it. Look at that. Look at the fluffiness. Now this is obviously depending on what season you're in. If you can find fresh strawberries, you can finish with strawberries. You can finish with raspberries. Whatever you can find where you are. Or blueberries, or nothing. Don't have to top it with anything, but I am. Look at that light, fluffy vanilla sponge with raspberry jam, fresh cream, and some fresh fruits on tops. This is going to disappear as soon as the friends arrive, I promise that. Right, guys, look at that. Oh, who would not want a slice of this? I don't know anyone. I'm going in. I just love Victoria sponge. I just love Traybake, and that fresh cream with the raspberry jam. Oh, it's so good, guys. Look at that. Please do give this a go. There's lots of things coming up. Perfect kind of party little snack. This tray is going straight on the table with some crisps and other things. Hope you're going to try it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back here with another new recipe very soon. Bye for now.